What's up traders, welcome to live NFP trading from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard trading coach. I'll be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live discussion about every aspect of trading. So as a last day of trading week, as you know that NFP coming up, and we really want to have some good trade in this session. As the news been released, we should be able to see significant movement in the market. So we still have around 28 minutes before the news. So let's do a complete analysis, and as soon as the news been released, so that we can look for the trading opportunity. Any trade coming along the way, definitely we will be looking to enter. Now, before I begin this session, make sure you don't miss out the smashing the like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's begin first of all with gold, and then we'll be looking at other instrument. Now gold, that we discussed in my previous analysis, there has been significant bounce. First of all, let's see what wave could be with the gold. Is it remaining bullish, or it is coming down and changing its trend? This is the most important question here. Let's quickly look at the daily chart to find out where gold is heading. Now, the way price action has formed on the daily, that I have discussed in my analysis as well, that gold is in fact it's bullish still. Okay, we saw that this inverted head and shoulder in that area. Now with this inverted head and shoulder, gold had a bounce towards the upside. Now with that bounce, we see that gold in fact created this movement. Now today so far we have seen that gold has broken this level. Okay, created has broken this level and then had a bounce. Now what I think, that the market might remain bullish, but as the news brings a spike, now with that spike, it is possible for gold to break the low and then to remain bullish again, which is very possible. Or even we could see that the market just remaining bullish from here. It's already has broken the daily low, so it has liquidity, and there is a probability for me it's for the gold to remain bullish, as we see that from the monthly, as a first day of the monthly candle, the price after this long rejection, the price had this is the monthly candle today. If I delete all of them, we can see that there is a liquidity zone here, all right, on the monthly, and we could see that the price going up to hit that monthly liquidity zone, that monthly resistance. So I will be waiting for gold to give me an entry opportunity as soon as we see that one here. So make sure guys you stay connected, don't miss any part of this live session. As soon as any trade coming along, we will be definitely looking to enter with a high probability setup. So this is gold with we see that potentially bullish momentum on all time frame. We can see that now it could have a spike with the news coming up. You can see this 4-hour candle will hold that news, and this candle very highly likely that could come down here, and that it may even break the low. This is the swing low here, which is another liquidity zone, which is the 1934 level. I think that with the spike we might see that gold has broken and then trending to the upside, which is a probability. But with the real price action confirmation, we might see a different picture. If we look at the 15 minutes and 5 minutes, you see that this is in this time frame, which is still maintaining a bullish structure. You can see here. Now lower time frame price action is quite significant to see how the market is evolving, and even on the 1-hour chart we see that the market is still maintaining bullish structure. Now the spike is very, very important, because with that spike we will actually see that what the market is planning for the bigger move. Now looking at the daily support level, we have drawn all this daily support. So this is the daily support, today's support, and also swing low here. Any break of any of this, if the price break this low, that's gonna be a very high liquidity zone. So anything is possible here, is to break the daily low or break this low and then to remain bullish. So from the 1 hour chart, here it is showing bullish price action. It might just come up to here and then remaining bullish as well. So that's why we need to see here we see that on this 15 minutes the price is breaking locally and then trending to the upside, again breaking locally, trending to the upside. So it's still maintaining here that bullish market structure. All right, so the news will really will change the game. So I want to see that actually the market giving us a solid understanding, solid proof, so that we know that actually which way to look for that opportunity. So let's see, guys, also let me know in the live chat how are you doing in your trading and what's your idea with the NFP. Let me know in the live chat. Babia, hey sir, thank you very much. Noor, hi coach Noor. Babia, please look at NASDAQ. I want to know how to trade NASDAQ today. Ahead NFP. Yes, absolutely, Babaya. We will be looking at that. NFP also, NASDAQ also very important pair to look at. Lucas, hello coach, how are you doing today? I'm good, very good. Thank you for that. How are you doing, James? Good day, coach James. Ibrahim Isa, hi coach. Ola Daily, good afternoon. Thank you very much. Come, Ibrahim, with you, sir. Coach, what are we expecting on euro dollar? Thank you very much, Papaya. On euro dollar, yeah, almost the same pattern as gold. How long till the news? So we see that only 20 minutes remaining. Hi coach, what do you think about the crackdown on I don't see any crackdown. So what do you mean by clarify that? Good evening, thank you very much. Hi coach, how are you? I'm good, thank you very much. So let's see now on here, what do you see that do you trade order blocks and fair value gaps? Yeah, absolutely. Order block and fair value gaps are very important confirmation. We'll be looking at that. Good day, sir, thank you very much. Good evening coach. Good evening all. Tell about dollar yen. Good morning from Jamaica. Thank you very much. What's up coach, when is safe to enter a trade during the NFP? Definitely after the news been released is a good time. I'm holding sell DXY. Can I hold for swing trade to maybe, yep, entry profit for NFP? Entry point, yeah, entry point you will see from price action confirmation. If we once the news will be released, then we will be looking at the price action confirmation for this entry point. Yeah, thank you very much. Hold gold sell, yeah, absolutely. Gold prediction, yeah, we will be looking at that. Hello coach, learning gold trading from you, please entry for gold. Yeah, absolutely, we'll be looking at that. Really skip before the news. Yep, we will be looking at that. Yeah, awesome. Thank you very much. So let's see what kind of opportunity currently we have with this one. All right, so let's see. With we have only 15 minutes to go on that, and with that 15 minutes we'll be looking to enter to see how we can find opportunity. Okay, so okay, let me know guys which way you think. Is still 15 minutes to go with that. And okay, so what I think that here we saw the price in fact gather further liquidity, so there is a probability for this price to move up. Still we see that potential upside. Okay, so here on this daily perspective, we're just trying to look at which way in fact the market trying to be heading in that news coming up. So from bigger picture perspective, what I see that gold is still remaining bullish to the upside. Now if we look at other instrument before the news, looking at Euro USD, Okay, so you see that euro dollar from a longer term perspective. This is euro dollar. We see that from in this instrument on euro dollar, there is a, here we have seen that the market created a bullish market structure here, right? So with this bullish channel to the upside on euro dollar, we have seen that movement followed by this narrow correction. We have seen another movement and local breakdown. Now so far here on euro dollar, what we see that the price has broken this swing low, and then with that swing low broken, the price now forming long wick candle. And with that impulse, if you look at the daily on euro dollar, there was a very long bearish rejection yesterday on daily time frame on euro dollar. What I think that we could see that euro dollar may push up during the news. Now if gold is heading to the upside, we might see that euro dollar even reversing from that level. So depending on where the price is heading, we will be looking to enter. The news will really will change the way it is looking at. Let's see how it does. In the meantime, if you want to join Forex Trading Wizard Academy today, as news is coming, you can join today. There is a discount going on due to the NFP. So you can see on the screen, you can use that coupon to join Forex Trading Wizard Academy in our academy to learn and grow as a trader. So the coupon, you can see, use it in the lifetime access checkout, and then you can learn and grow as a trader. So let's see. Now we saw that euro dollar and all of them, AUD, USD, all of them moving, trying to create a pattern, but at the same time, as I have mentioned, that news will really will be a big factor where we can see that the market might be heading to the upside. Okay, so let's see where it is heading. Now we see in this local time frame there was a significant bounce from this level, and with that bounce here we see that the price, with this bounce, it's an impulse correction. So the price is creating series of higher high and higher low. Okay, so let's find out with that impulse we can expect for the price to give us an entry opportunity. With the news announcement, we will be able to exactly know, in fact, which way the price is heading. So what's your idea? Also let me know which way you think that gold is heading. Thank you very much. Holding dollar. So how much lot size we can take for 10,000 account in indices and gold to manage risk? Okay, so it depends on, that you can't buy or sell fixed lot. You can do that, but fixed lot could be a bit risky, because depending on how much is your stop loss, fixed lot is a big factor that you need to think about. So it will really depend on where you are, what's your stop loss, peep, and everything you need to calculate. So better to use a lot size calculator. You can use it at MT4 or any other platform available, all the lot size calculator. J news prediction is still not, you can't know before the news been released, but so far you can see it's now getting rejected from that level. Okay, so with that rejection, we might see that the market, we see that there is a strong rejection coming. Depending on how the candle closing will determine exactly which way the market might be heading. Order block, yeah, absolutely, we'll be discussing that. Holding gold, sell, what to do. Okay. I'm hoping actually for a big drop in gold to buy a better. Okay, we'll be looking at that. Buy limit entry. So can you tell me what's news impact during natural gas? Yeah, we'll be looking at that. 10-12 minutes before was the strategy. Oh yeah, so we really need to see how the market is doing. Gold 100% depends on data. Yeah, data will really have a big impact on the results. So far here we see that this 15 minutes candle, which is forming a long bearish candle, yeah, it will depend on what kind of candle it is doing. So yeah, liquidity gap will be really important to see. Okay, so it's very important to guys that is still 5 minutes remaining. Let's see how it goes. I feel gold will fall before going up. Yeah, it depends on, it will really depend on where the price is heading. Last moment price action will really give a very clear idea of in fact how the market is heading. So here if you look at this 15 minutes price action, we see that series of lower high created in that area. Now with this series of lower high, it is crucially important to see is it breaking down. The way we see that rejection, it is possible for gold to have a downside momentum. So let's see how it does. Okay, so let's see, 3 minutes remaining. Okay, let's see how it goes with that. If we look at from the okay guys, let me know, 2 minutes remaining, which way the market is heading. Gold might go down, yeah, there anything could happen. So with the news announcement we will be able to see. In the meantime, on euro dollar again is trying to create a doji. So GJ had a very long rejection from this level. Okay, so let's, okay, we see that a spike has happened. Okay, that is spike to the upside initially. Okay, so we have seen that there is a massive movement, and with that movement the market may continue to rise. Okay, we see there is a big move happen. let's see. What's your opinion, guys? Let me know in the live chat. NFP. Okay, so let's look at the result. Forex Factory. Looking at the calendar, what do you see that here? What kind of data do you so you see that average hourly earnings, which is 0.2% out of 0.3%, so which is a bit negative for DXY. Again, non-farm employment change is way more than the expected, which is very positive, and unemployment rate, which is comparatively, so there's a mixed result. Let's see how it does with the actual price action confirmation. Okay, so as expected, we see that strong bullish momentum has happened. Now at the moment, let's see what kind of opportunity we have. Looking at the 5 minutes, we have seen a significant bullish momentum, guys. So the price action is still maintaining the upside. As soon as we will find an entry, we will be looking to enter. In the meantime, let me know in the live chat, how are you doing? The red candle, yep, US30, how long till news? Yeah, good afternoon, coach, thank you very much. I think US data will be positive. Yep, non-farm payroll are down from July figures. Yeah, gold to 1986. Yeah, thank you very much. Beside liquidity gap, buy or sell, should we? Yeah, we will be looking at that. Is still nothing we can see on that. Mixed data, scaling, coach, flip, liquidity. May come down. Yeah, let's see. Okay, we see that after gathering liquidity, the market started to revert back. Now here is the key points to look at. Is the market Okay guys, let me know which way you are heading, which way the market is heading. So looking at NASDAQ to see how it has done now from lower time frame on NASDAQ, we see that there is an bullish pin bar here on NASDAQ, okay, with a strong bullish pin bar, okay, which is a very strong momentum. Now with this bullish pin bar, previous session NASDAQ has formed an bullish impulse to the upside. Now with that impulse, we can see that in that area the price, this is the support level, okay, and with that support the price has created this impulse correction. Every time the price is dropping down to this level, creating series of higher high and higher low. Now we see that here with the news, after gathering liquidity from this level, the price has created this movement, narrow correction. It is now forming another impulsive phase to the upside. So we see that on NASDAQ, the price has formed an inverted head and shoulder and then has broken out of this inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so this is a level where we can see that the price, we can expect it to come down and retest and then to move to the upside. Okay, so let's see how it does, and then we'll be looking to enter. Could this be beginning of bullish momentum of gold? So gold already in a bullish momentum, we have seen that. Now it's just continuing to the upside. This is what we discussed early today. Yeah, that could be. Okay, Sophia, is it mixed update? It's difficult to predict now. Yeah, so basically data will not exactly will tell you which way the market will be heading. So basically the price section is where we can see if all the data, okay, is in favor of, let's say, now we see the DXY, you can see it's started to drop from here on DXY. Now from that level, you see that this is a bearish candle, and multiple times the price has gathered liquidity, and with that multiple liquidity trigger, DXY created this strong impulse to the downside here. All right, so basically what we see that after this multiple times long wick candle, there is one here, a strong drop, narrow correction drop. We see that the price has broken out of this level. Again we see another rejection. So DXY is remaining downside, means that we can expect gold to remain upside. All right, let's see what it is doing. So now here is the main point to see is if the market is still remaining bullish, or we could see from the top a short-term reversal, which if we see that, now you see that with the data release we have seen a breakout. Let's find out if it is reversing from this level. Okay guys, be patient. Patience is the key in trading. Okay, so here let's quickly look at what other pairs are doing. That will give us an idea of you know about the market. We see that AUD CAD had a bounce, so you see that AUD is showing strength here. Aussie yen, there is with the weakness of yen, we see that Aussie yen trying to come down. Let's quickly look at the AUD USD. So AUD USD after two dodges had a significant bounce. We see that CAD JPY with narrow three dodges, CAD JPY had a drop. GBP JPY, we see that JPY got weaker, and GBP JPY here is a very long zone here on GJ. And what we see that on GBP JPY there is an impulse correction impulse. We see that the market is forming a head and left shoulder and the right shoulder on GBP JPY. Now with that formation of this head and shoulder, we see that GJ had a breakdown from this head and shoulder. So we can see that in this zone on, so Euro AUD also showing potential. So Euro AUD, you can see with this liquidity gap had a drop. There is a strong drop correction. We see that another drop on Euro AUD, and in this zone what we see that the price, this is the resistance line here on Euro AUD, and with this resistance line the price, in fact on Euro AUD, I think that it's just changed its trend from an uptrend to a downtrend, and we could see that Euro AUD creating series of lower high and lower low, except it's completely different with the Euro CAD. So AUD got stronger. As a result, we see that Euro AUD is showing potentially downtrend. Okay, so Euro NZD doing the same thing here. So Euro NZD also form an head and shoulder. I think Euro pairs, we see that potentially bearish, except Euro dollar. Let me see the NASDAQ. So dollar CAD with that op as NFP coming up, with the weakness on CAD, we saw that dollar CAD is upside. Let me see. So dollar CAD is very, very important. Looking at dollar CAD to see, if we look at first of all daily on USD CAD after testing the daily support here, okay, from this 20 EMA, this is a support here, turning resistance here, and also support here, along with this 20 EMA on dollar CAD. The price tested this level, okay, and then had a strong bounce from this level on dollar CAD. So dollar CAD showing potentially upside, but very interestingly gold also showing upside, where if we look at the DXY, we can see DXY is downside is because of the weakness on CAD. We see that dollar CAD is to the upside. Now if we look at here we see the dollar CAD. Okay, so you can see the dollar CAD is basically has gone up for deeper movement, which in fact triggered liquidity. And let's see, I want to know your opinion, guys, which way the market is heading. Gold, thank you very much. 955 imbalance 90. Yep, I think gold will go down, go up. Okay, let's see. As I said, it's mixed data. Gold will be up and down. Thank you very much. Hello sir, how long can you trade news before you assume to be technical analysis? How long you can trade news? You know, for the news you need in fact to be settled down, because news normally create a bit more disturbance in the price section. So to see properly the market, we need to we need to see okay, here you can see the price on the 5 minutes. Gold has formed this bullish here on the 15 minutes. Let me see, it was a bullish call here, it's gone. Okay, thank you very much. Gold will remain bullish, I think. Awesome. Yeah, 1942. Technically gold must drop 1850 before it's right 2000 and above. So yeah, October is usually month when gold price is very low. Yeah, okay. Thank you, coach. Let's come to the gold for entry. Okay, awesome, thank you. Okay, here we see that the market slowly now here is the points. If there is any short-term reversal, we should see that it's doing from here. Okay. I think that from here we could see potential downside. Let me see. Okay, so I will be selling gold from this level with a proper risk management, guys. Make sure that you always open any trade in your demo account. So what I think that we should be able to see a short-term drop from here. It could be wrong, as I mentioned. It's a trend strongly to the upside, so I could be wrong at any point, but this is just a demo. It's gone. Very interesting. Okay. I'm running a trade here. Okay, so which is running in profit at the moment. I'm a bit late, but that's fine. Okay, so there is a, if you look at the 15 minutes price action, we see that in these 15 minutes there is a primary rejection from the top. We could see potentially a local breakdown, but this is the 1 hour chart, which is also from the 1 hour, which is still maintaining that bullish structure. Let's see from the 5 minutes. Still maintaining the structure, bullish structure, but okay, we see that potentially I'm in profit zone now at the moment. Okay, so we see that profit running. All right, let me see. Here is the ticker. Now the last moment. Let's see. So back to 15 minutes long wick candle. The last 1 minute is very important to see that okay, from here now price again at our entry. Okay, from 15 minutes, it's not the way we thought. Let's see. From 1 hour, so we have seen an hourly candle closed. All right, so from here we can expect a downside, which is we can expect it to drop, and as soon as you see the price has broken this structure, we'll take the profit out of the table. Here it's not that much of impressively bearish price action. The 1 hour candle is okay guys, so let me know what do you think, which way the market is heading. thank you for joining the live session. I really also appreciate your support to the channel. Make sure guys you give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. So this 5 minutes I want to see that it's closing as a long wick doji. We can expect a short-term drop from here that can give us our profit. Make sure that guys you always open in a demo account and do the proper risk management so that you are not you are not losing big. And also at the same time make sure you like this stream, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Exactly, thank you very much. Awesome, 15-minute chart. Gold is, yep, reversal master occur. Yeah, check your 5 minutes coach. Thank you. Yeah, it's going okay. Thank you very much. So you see on the 5 minutes given the price action in our favor, so which is good for us. Let's celebrate some profit now. Make sure guys everything here I'm showing is just my own experience. You just do proper risk management, open in a demo account any position just for learning and growing as a trader. Thank you very much. Madness, yeah, gold is pulled back. Awesome. Yeah, thank you very much. Show DX, okay, based on RSI. Also another indicator here. Thank you. Look that you close to a small profit. Okay. Okay, so let's find out alright, so here so far we see that potentially downside. Now we need to see that it has broken down here. Okay, there is a consolidation pattern. Thank you very much for your appreciation, William. I really appreciate your support and everyone's support. Thanks, all of you are here. Okay, now from 15 minutes, very interesting price action. Let me see the 1 hour again. Nasdaq, yeah, will be. Let's keep gold running. Gold I'm running in my entry, so I'm a little bit in profit and entry, so I'll keep that running on gold. And while okay, let that break down. In the meantime, we will be looking at some of the instrument that might give us an trading opportunity, which is NASDAQ. Okay, so looking at NASDAQ here from the daily perspective, we can see that looking at monthly first of all. So from the monthly, we can see that NASDAQ, this is the monthly candle just closed today. There is a long wick here on NASDAQ. Now with this long wick candle on NASDAQ, we see that the price is about to break to the upside. Now once the market close with this candle on the monthly, we see that there is a bounce. Now with that bounce, the price from here had a strong momentum. The price has reached that resistance line, and with that resistance, the price reached that, we can expect for NASDAQ to, I think that it's gonna go up to the resistance on the monthly, and from that zone we can expect a rejection. Now, if we look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly it is in fact very strongly bullish. There is a long wick candle here with a gap opening, and we see that from this level there is a very strong momentum to the upside. Now if we look at the daily, so from the daily perspective, this is the daily impulse to the upside, followed by, so far is still remaining bullish on the daily. And what I think that we could see for longer term perspective, which is still maintaining that bullish momentum on NASDAQ. There is a narrow, you can see there is a narrow 4-hour candle, which is also a bullish candle. Starting with this candle that we opened a trade, probably you remember that it was a massive trade, and the price is still pushing high with this liquidity trigger, and we can expect for the price to remain bullish, I think, for some more time. So you see that NASDAQ also bullish. Let's see on gold how it is reflecting. Now gold, we see that with that said, it's maintaining here also bullish. So let me see, it's not breaking down that way we expected. So in that case, on the 15 minutes, and if you want to see some short-term drop, okay, here on the 5 minutes also, okay, we see we want to see multiple rejection from here, so that we can see a spike down that will give us what we need. After this, we can expect a breakdown just needed. For once it will break to the downside, we'll take some profit and we'll move the stop loss so that we can experience that profit. Guys, make sure that you always manage the risk. And also guys, if you want to learn the strategy that I'm trading, you can join, link given in the description. And also if you want to join a regulated broker, you can join a regulated broker, the link given in the live chat, and also there is a link in the description area for regulated broker. The broker that I recommend is given in the live chat. You can click that link and then you can register for free. You can start trading with a regulated broker. Also there is a bonus link given. You can bonus code. If you are in an eligible country only, you can get that bonus. So use that link to register with a regulated broker, and you can start trading with a smaller account. For those who already have registered, I would recommend you to start trading with a smaller account. Link given in the live chat for that. So let's see here. Now in that zone we wanted to see a red candle, then instead okay here. Okay, so a 15 minutes doji is formed in that area. So if you look at the 1 hour, okay, it's not going in the direction that we expected. So here what we will do, let's first have another bounce to the downside, like another rejection that will tell us, in fact, okay. Okay, so whenever the seller's trying to sell, the bulls making that impulse to the upside. So from here, with this 5 minutes close, let's see, this 5 minutes candle will give us a probability for this movement. I'm expecting still to have a downside from this level, and then to come back down here, and from this zone we could see that upside again, but at least we can expect a drop from this level, and then we'll be looking to enter again once we take the profit. So you see that now again has come to the profit zone. That's good, which we needed here, a drop. All right, it's entered the profit zone, guys. Celebrate that, and make sure you like this stream and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Now price is the profit zone, but we need to see either we're gonna close at the moment or let me see, because we are just at our entry. All right, so here I see still probability for a short-term drop. That's what I'm waiting, and once we will see that short-term drop, we can take the profit. I think we should see that short-term drop at least to the downside, and then we will be taking the profit before we see that. So you see there's a middleman here and the price started to come down. I'm in profit zone. Again, let's keep that on for a potential drop. All right, so you see that drop coming up. Okay guys, so let me know in the live chat which one you are looking at. Okay, I hope that you are enjoying. Make sure you like the stream, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, and also if you are running in profit, make sure that you use a regulated broker. And the broker that I use is EverTrade, so you can use EverTrade. Link below this video in the description, and also I can give you a link in the live chat. You can use that link to register for free with once you registered with EverTrade, click the link register for free and you can start trading with regulated broker. Okay, so we see that the market has dropped well below this structure. Now we are in the profit zone. Let's quickly reevaluate. Either we're gonna keep that or we'll be closing that, as we see that the market is there is a upside movement. Let me see from 5 minutes. If we look at the monthly, the price has reached that. Weekly, daily. Okay, okay, so you see that there is a potential drop which we are running in good profit. Now at the moment, let me see if we should run or okay, we see that downside. We are running around 27 p profit on that. Okay, okay, if it reverse, it might reverse from here. If it wants to drop, we could see that drop here. So because we are traded against the trend, I'll be closing out now with this current 20 p profit. So I will also advise the VIPs, and if we need to enter again, we will be entering again, because here we traded against the trend. So we might see that drop, okay, but we could see at the same time an upside. So I have closed with this 20 pip, and let's see, because it's on the previous resistance now acting as a support, it is possible for the price to go up again to create a new higher high. If we need to enter, we will be entering again. Let's celebrate that 20 pip on that, and once we will see that another entry point, we will be entering that position. Okay, so it might, if it wants to reverse, we could see that reversal. Here is the structure, a break to the downside. We could see that the market may reach up to the resistance zone again. So let's see where is the next entry, and we'll be looking at that. So we let me know, guys, have you got profit in your demo account in that trade? Yeah, but we traded against the trend. When I trade against the trend, I normally we need to be very cautious. We could, because it's still maintaining that bullish structure. All right, thank you very much. That's awesome. Thanks for that. USD target. Thank you. Awesome. Okay. Okay, so here this is the 15 minutes price action on gold, and if you look at the 1 hour also, the market structure is still maintaining bullish. Okay, so this is where we see that the market is doing. So we will be looking at now, I'll be looking at here on some of the other instrument to see dollar yen. We see that dollar yen is, you see the exactly same kind of price action as gold, so which is dollar yen is bearish. So gold, it is possible for gold to remain bullish. As you can see, it's still maintaining the bullish structure. So if we find an entry again for this move, we will be, you see that it's now rejecting. So it may go up again until we see that clear structure. We will be entering again, guys. Make sure you like this stream, subscribe to the channel. I'll take 30-second break. In the meantime, let me know in the live chat which other instrument you see that trading opportunity. We will be looking at that. I'm back. Okay, now let's find out how it is doing. Okay, here 30 minutes closed. right? So you see that again it's creating that, so it has come down here for liquidity grab, and now it's pushing high again. So with that push we could see that the market creating higher high and higher low. Let's see where we can see this movement. Okay, so let's find out in the meantime what other instrument are giving trading opportunity. Okay, so we'll be looking at some of the yen pairs. Let's see Eurojpy and dollar yen and Gbpjpy. So we saw that gold had a bounce. We have taken the profit. Now GBP USD, if we look at GBP USD, which is bullish, strongly bullish at the moment, we can see that there is a bounce on GBP USD. So we could see that gold again, see that from the 1 hour perspective, after testing this level, it has a strong bounce. So from that perspective, if you look at the GBP USD, we see that the market from bigger picture showing potentially bullish from the intraday as well. Gbpusd has broken the liquidity zone and then had a bounce, so we could see that this market is heading towards the upside on Gbpusd. Now looking at gold again, so again it's getting rejected from the top. It's a very crucial point to look at, guys. Let me know in the live chat how are you doing. Closed with, okay, very good. Let's hold for total profit. Thank you very much. Nice scalp on gold. Thank you very much. Yes, coach, awesome. We come live. Yeah, Nick, I come live every day, twice. We see that rejection again from the top. Yep, I come live twice every day. Gbpusd, thank you. That's awesome. GU coach, USD CAD reversing as you said yesterday. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, that's what happened. Thank you for that. Here, okay, there is a massive red candle here on gold. So what's happening with the DXY? Let me see. DXY has broken the swing low, had a bounce. Okay, we see that happening now. With that of gold, so you see a completely opposite direction. Gold is moving now. From the 5 minutes, it has formed a very long bearish candle, okay, which is another rejection. Okay, again after this rejection, we see that the market had significant drop again. Okay, we might see that reversal. Okay, that's massive drop. Let's see. There is a massive drop. Okay, so gold had a very sharp rejection from the top. Before the 1 hour close, we have seen that rejection. That means that now potentially we could see coming down to the daily support level. Okay, very interesting. Now you see this support is broken, and okay, let's quickly look at Euro AUD. Euro AUD had, okay, after this red candle, the price again had a rejection to the upside on Euro AUD If we look at the daily, so if you look at all the euro pairs, euro NZD, so Gbpusd had got rejected again from this resistance line. And NASDAQ also, you see the same thing. There is a strong rejection from the top. So dollar here, after forming this double bottom from this support level, if you look at the daily, it's getting upside. So from the weekly, exactly what we expected on dollar CAD, we see that after the monthly close, the price is heading to the upside to fill that long wick here on the daily. And for the lower time frame, we can see that basically dollar CAD is forming this bullish price action. So with that said, gold here, gold has formed a 15 minutes middleman, which is a bearish candle. So basically it in fact started to drop. Okay, so here it started to drop after gathering multiple times liquidity. Okay, now it's coming to the daily support level. Thank you very much. Jeffrey NAS100 is dropping down. Yep, because gold is, we see that rejected. Time of live session, place Nick. Nick, I'll recommend you to join the free Telegram channel, where all the time we normally come on live on both New York session and London session time. So if you look at our free Telegram channel, let me give you the link for the free Telegram channel, where you can join free Telegram channel, and then you can stay connected with free Telegram. So this is the free Telegram channel where you can join and then stay connected. Before everything, I post all the content on the free Telegram channel. And also you can there is an opportunity to join today Forex Trading Wizard Academy to learn all the strategy that I have I have traded, and also all the trade that I open, I do share with the VIPs. So you can join Forex Trading Wizard Academy by clicking the link below this video. Visit the website and then you can join us. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. So thank you very much. Nick, TP target reach. Yeah, Ibrahim Issa, we closed earlier, but if you are on the trade, definitely reach that TP target. So yeah guys, very good one with the NFP, successful movement. We saw that the market in fact has gone up. Now it's coming down to the daily support. What I think that we might see that the price now may drop, okay, because from the monthly, the price has gone up on the monthly here to this liquidity zone. We can expect now a rejection coming to the monthly support, and then from here either coming down to fill that long wick on the monthly, or going back up again from that level, depending on how it is doing. So okay, we see that strong rejection from the top. So you can see that there is a significant drop here. It basically, with this middleman, had got rejected, and as you can see that the market changed its momentum. As with the NFP, now we need to look at actually which way the market is likely to be heading. With that said guys, we had another successful NFP session. I want to see some more confluence for another entry. I will be still looking at the chart after the live session. I hope that you enjoyed this live session, and I will come on, I will be posting some other content tomorrow as well. And I hope, and also if you want to be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you can join us today. Link below this video and also in the description area. And also you can if you want to looking to join a regulated broker, you can join our recommended broker Gbpusd. So Gbpusd is regulated, and also you can use our link. I have put a link below this video in the description, and also I can give you a link in the live chat. I've shared that link with you. You can click the link and then you can register for free. You can start trading with a regulated broker. So with that said, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon in next live. Starting with NFP, we might see that some big change in the market. I will be releasing weekly Forex forecast tomorrow, so that you can watch that to understand actually